Rule 132. Presumptions of Evidence. Section 1. Examinations to be done in open court. The examination of witnesses presented in the trial or hearing shall be done in open court and under oath in the operation, unless the witness is incapacitated to speak or the questions calls for a different mode of answers. The answers of the witnesses shall be given orally. Section 2. Proceeding to be recorded. The entire proceedings of a trial or trials or hearing, including the questions propounded to the witness and his or her answers thereto in the statement made by the judge or any of the parties. Counsel or witnesses with reference to the case shall be recorded by means of shorthand or enterotype or by other means of recording found suitable by the court. A transcript of the record of the proceedings made by the officials, stenographer, strategist, or recorder and certified as correct by him or her shall be demanded. Prima facie a correct statements of such proceedings. Rule 133. Weight and sufficiency of evidence. Section 1. Preponderance of evidence. How determine in civil case the party having the burden of proof must establish his or her care by preponderance of evidence. In determining where the preponderance or superior weight of evidence on the issues involved lies, and court may consider all the facts and circumstances of the case, the witnesses' manner of testifying, their intelligence, their means and opportunity of knowing the facts to which they are testifying, the nature of the facts to which they testify, the probability or improbability of their testimony, their interest or want to an interest, and also their personal credibility, so far as the same many may legitimately appear upon the trial. The court may also consider the number of witnesses, though the preponderance is not necessary with a greater number.